Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where AutoCAD stores autosaves, open Options, go to Files, and read the automatic save file location. Once done, navigate there in File Explorer and sort by date modified to surface recent. SV$ or back files. You want files with timestamps matching your lost work. This helps narrow candidates quickly. If the path is networked, make sure you have permission. Otherwise, copy files locally before converting. These steps locate the raw recovery files you'll convert next. Next, you convert or load the autosave into AutoCAD. First, copy the candidate, SV$ or back file to a safe folder and rename its extension to DWG. This often makes it openable. Then launch AutoCAD and run Recover or Recoverall from the command line to let AutoCAD repair and open the drawing. If it doesn't appear in Open dialogues, choose All Files and select the renamed file. Once open, immediately save as a new file name to avoid overwriting original data. Finally, confirm integrity and preserve the recovered drawing. Run Audit and Purge to fix errors and remove unused definitions, then save as a new file and create an intentional backup. Once done, enable automatic save and keep the backup. Rollover count high enough for repeated versions. If the recovered file still shows corruption, try inserting it into a new blank drawing or use the Drawing Recovery Manager to open alternate copies. One tip: if nothing opens, restore from the most recent. Back and repeat recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.